In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a slide in Microsoft PowerPoint. If you're building a presentation and want to reuse the same layout, design, or content without starting over, duplicating a slide is one of the fastest tools you can use. It helps save time, keeps your formatting consistent, and makes it much easier to create multiple slides that follow the same structure. To begin, look at the slide thumbnails in the left-hand panel of PowerPoint and click the slide you want to duplicate. Make sure the correct slide is selected before moving on. This is important because PowerPoint will duplicate whichever slide is currently highlighted. If your presentation has several similar slides, it's worth taking an extra second to confirm you've chosen the right one. Once the slide is selected, right-click on it. A menu will appear with several options. From that menu, click Duplicate Slide. As soon as you do that, PowerPoint will create an exact copy of the selected slide. The duplicated version will usually appear directly underneath the original, which makes it easy to find and edit right away. This method is especially helpful if you prefer using on-screen menus or if you're still getting familiar with PowerPoint's tools. It's simple, visual, and easy to repeat whenever you need another copy. After duplicating the slide, you can update the text, swap images, or adjust the content while keeping the same overall design and formatting. There's also a faster keyboard shortcut you can use. With the slide selected, press Ctrl and D on your keyboard. This instantly duplicates the slide without opening the right-click menu. If you're creating a lot of similar slides, this shortcut can make your workflow much faster. A useful tip is to duplicate a slide before making major edits when you want to preserve the original version. That way, you can experiment with a new variation while keeping your first slide intact. It's also a great way to create template-style slides within the same presentation, and that's all it takes to duplicate a slide in Microsoft PowerPoint. Just select the slide, either right-click and choose Duplicate Slide, or use Ctrl-D for a quicker option. Once you get used to it, this will become one of the easiest and most useful shortcuts in your presentation workflow.